Google just changed the AI game again, and this time it's not about the smarter model. It's about how AI agents communicate with each other. Think about it like this. We've taught AI how to read and write. Now we're teaching them how to communicate. And this could be the key to unlocking AGI faster than anyone ever expected. Let me tell you what's happening. Google just announced something called A2A, short for Agents to Agents Protocol. And that, combined with something else called the Model Context Protocol, changes everything. At first glance, it sounds technical, but here's the simplest way to think about it. You know how right now, when you want AI to do something, you prompt it. You're always the middleman. A2A flips that. With this protocol, AI agents don't just work alone. They can now find each other, understand each other's capabilities or functions, and collaborate to solve complex problems without you in the loop for every tiny step. MCP is like the shared language protocol that these agents use to understand each other's memory, identity, and context. So instead of treating each AI agent like a disconnected tool, this model actually lets them work together like a team. Imagine you're trying to build a product. You're the founder, of course, and you go ahead to hire a designer, a dev, a marketer. But if you had to relay every single task to them manually, nothing would ship. That's exactly how most AI agents work today. They're isolated and dependent on humans to coordinate them. But with A2A and MCP, it's like giving your AI agents Slack and Notion and telling them, here's the goal, here are the tools, figure it out. They start talking to each other, figuring things out together, and you just guide the big picture. Now let's use a real world use case, for example. Let's say you want to hire a software engineer. Instead of browsing LinkedIn for hours, you just tell your hiring AI agent, find me someone with React and Node.js experience based in Lagos or London. Now that agent reaches out to other AI agents. One searches job boards, the other screens resume, the third checks GitHub contributions, and then they report back to you with the best matches. You pick a few and your AI agent coordinates interview scheduling with another AI agent. After the interview, a compliance AI agent handles the background checks, all happening behind the scenes. You just said, find me someone great, and the AI agents handle the rest. Now that's agents to agents collaboration in action. And believe me, it's not just theory. Companies like Atlassian, JetBrains, Intuit, PayPal, MongoDB, Salesforce, and even Deloitte have already tested this A2A protocol. The reviews so far, all positive. Now, these aren't startups taking risks. These are enterprise giants, and they are loving what A2A enables. We're no longer in the hype phase, we're in the this actually works phase. The big idea here isn't just automation, it's coordination. It's moving from AIs as tools to AIs as teammates. That's the leap from smart autocomplete to actual agency, where AI can reason, delegate, and collaborate to get things done. We're talking about autonomous workflow across entire organizations. There's zero marginal effort from humans beyond setting the intent. Because once AI agents can talk to each other, they can build systems, solve problems, and even run companies without you watching every step.